Hello everyone and welcome to PS Market. In this video, we are going to understand one of the simplest ways to earn in PS Market, that is referral income. You don't have to worry if you are completely new because in next few minutes, we will explain everything step by step in so easy language so anyone can understand. What is referral income? So, referral income simply means earning money when someone joins PS Market through you. The idea is very simple. You invite people, they join, you earn. Now, once you join PS Market, the system gives you a unique referral ID. So, when someone joins using your referral ID, the system knows this person joined because of you, and that is how your referral income starts. Let's understand the first level. Level 1 includes the people you directly invite. For example, if you invite Ravi, Priya, and Suresh directly, so they become your level 1 members. Whenever they join using your referral ID, you receive your level 1 referral income. Now the network starts growing. So when your L1 member invite other people, those new members become your level 2 referrals. Now, when the level 2 members invite others, they become your level 3 referrals. And when level 3 member invites someone, they become your level 4 referrals. So, even if someone joins through your team members, you can still earn referral income step by step. PS Market offers three different plans: Basic Plan, Premium Plan, and VIP Plan. Each plan gives referral income across four levels. The main difference between the plans is how much income you earn at each level. In the basic plan, you earn smaller referral amounts. In the premium plan, the income is bit higher. And in the VIP plan, the referral income is the highest. So, the higher the plan, the higher the income you can earn from the same network.
Case study 1. Now let's look at a real example. Let's say Rajesh joins PS Market with the basic plan. In 1 month, he builds his network. He invites 5 people directly, which give him 400 rupees each person. So, from level 1, he earns rupees 2000. And those 5 people invite 10 more people. So, from level 2, Rajesh earns 3000. Those members again invite 20 more people. Now from level 3, Rajesh is going to earn 4000. Then level 3 members invite 40 other people. So from level 4 he earns rupees 4000. Now in total Rajesh earned rupees 13000 referral income from 75 members in his network. Case study 2. Now let's see the same idea in the premium plan. So Priya joins PS Market with the premium plan. She invites 8 people directly, earning 8000. Her level 1 members invite 15 people, giving her 11250. Level 2 members invite 30 people, giving her 15000. Level 3 members invite 50 people, giving her rupees 12500. So, in total, Priya earns 46,750 in referral income. This shows that the premium plan gives higher income for network growth. Now, moving on to case study 3. Let's look at the VIP plan. Karthik joins PS Market with the VIP plan and he invites 10 people directly, earning 20,000. Those 10 invite other 20 people, giving him 30,000. Then level 2 members invite 40 people, giving him 40,000. Level 3 members invite 80 people, giving him 40,000. So in just 1 month, Karthik earned 1 lakh 30,000 referral income. This shows the earning potential when the network grows larger. Now, let's compare the plans. If the network size is exactly the same, basic plan earns about 13,000, premium plan earns about 32,500, and VIP plan earns about 65,000. This means the same effort in the same network can give higher income depending on the plan you choose.
Now, to grow faster in PS Market, you have to invite people consistently. You have to help your team members also invite others. So when your team grows, your network grows and your referral income increases. So start building your network today. Invite people, grow your team, and enjoy the benefits of referral income in PS Market. Thank you for watching. We will come with next topic in another video. Stay tuned.